Hi friends, welcome to WizBusters. I'm Emma, and today I'm going to show you how to use the trim function. What does the trim function do? The trim function removes spaces at the start or end of a string, but leaves spaces between words. What does the function return? Well, it returns the text without the extra spaces. To use the trim function, we need to tell Google Sheets or Excel one thing, and that is the text from which we want to remove extra spaces. So let's take a look at an example. Before we begin, stay updated with new videos, so be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified of the latest videos out. In this table, we have two countries, Canada and Puerto Rico. Notice that there are extra spaces in these cells. To do a quick check to see if there are extra spaces, we can find the length of the string and just double check it. So to find the length, we use the len function, len, text, and we can drag this down. Let's check. So it says the length of the string is 8, but Canada has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters in the word. So there must be spaces before and after. So here there are space 1, 2 spaces, no spaces at the end. While in Puerto Rico, there are 13 characters in terms of the length of the string. But if we count Puerto Rico 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the space in the middle 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there should be 11. So there are some spaces before and after this country. So to use the trim function, we want to remove the spaces before and after. So we type in equal trim and we reference the cell. We can autofill. Now we've got Canada and Puerto Rico, and it looks like if there are no spaces. So what we do, we just type in the len function because we want to just confirm that all the spaces have been gone. So we type in equal len and we reference this text and we just drag this down. So it says that the length of this is 6 characters. So Canada 3 and 3, 6, so that's correct. And Puerto Rico 11, as we counted before, it should be 11. 5, 6, and 4 is 10 and 11. So there we go, my friends. That's how we use the trim function. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this and hit the bell to get notifications of the latest videos out. See you in the next video.